Anambra village, Ezieke Umoyi Okija, Ihiala Council area has revived the Ogwugwumiri collapsed shrine. The shrine and temple of justice, which collapsed over some decades ago, was due to negligence by the custodian of the tradition. Esther Aswanya filed in the report.
Diaka Jofo Ogwugwumiri Umohi Okija, Chief Monday Ewuzie, said the ceremony will go a long way to make people know that Umuanumwa is the only custodian of Ogwugwumiri Shrine, Okija. One of the masterminders of the project, Chief Matthew Ngobili, said the ceremony is to educate people that Ogwugwumiri is a temple for justice, where the intimidated cries out for justice and their request granted, and regretted that hoodlums took advantage of their negligence to intimidate and extort money from people.
It's not evil. It depends what people use the shrine to do. That makes it evil. Ogwugwumiri belongs to Umuoyoke. And when you come to Umuoyoke, they talk about Ezeke, the water, and they come to Ezeke, it is we, the Anambra people, we are the good.
Cutting of tapes, inspection of the deity, and cultural display were the highlights.